Welcome to Kitchen Clean with me. So, as you can see from the state of my kitchen, I kind of have my work cut out for me. We just had a barbecue. I had family over here, and they just left, and we were all sitting here at the table. So, I've got to get all that cleared off. I've got to get my husband's lunch made for tomorrow because it's a work day. Today's currently Sunday. And also, I want to wipe this down because I am starting to get ready to do my Halloween decor. So we might do a little bit of that. Well, no. I gotta get the kitchen clean first before I can put up anything Halloween. But I did put up a Halloween curtain there and a Halloween curtain there. So I kind of started a little bit, but I had to dismantle this whole thing here because it had fall. So I need to give everything over here a good wipe down, get everything cleaned up, and then maybe we'll do some Halloween. But right now, we got to get started on this kitchen because this is driving me crazy, y'all. Let's get started. Let's get motivated. Okay, so I just want to say, have y'all ever woke up and thought, I know exactly how my day is going to go. I know exactly what I'm going to do today. You make your plan. You think you've got it all figured out. And then, boom, nothing that you thought was going to happen on that day actually happens. I thought today was going to be a really chill Sunday. You know, I had been outside earlier this morning. I was working on my plants. I started cleaning off my porch, getting the porch cleaned off and ready to decorate for Halloween. I probably put out 3 things so far on the porch. I'm trying to not to make it look, overly festive, if that makes sense. I just kind of wanted to make a statement saying, hey, we're excited for the holidays. But yeah, on this day, my total plan was to start decorating for Halloween. I didn't even plan on doing this clean with me video. My next video was supposed to be decorating for Halloween, but things happened and my plans got changed. So what was supposed to happen was my husband was going to cook some boudin and some ribs for just he and I. We didn't think we were going to have any company on this day, and we thought everything was going to be done and over with by 12 noon. So, needless to say, that's not what happened. My uncle and aunt called and they decided they wanted to come over. And mind you, this morning my kitchen was immaculate. My kitchen was clean. Everything was clean. My husband got up this morning and he was nice enough to already have the dishes done for me. And he had actually already done some laundry as well before I even woke up and got out of bed. So my house was clean. My kitchen was very clean. So I didn't think I was going to be doing this clean with me today. I thought the video that y'all were going to have was going to be, like I said, doing a Halloween decorate with me. Nevertheless, the content became the content because we ended up doing 4 slabs of ribs, boudin, baked potato. We did okra and beans. And we thought everything was going to be done for he and I at 12, and then we had the rest of the day to get done what we wanted to get done. But my aunt and my uncle, they visited with us, and it was nice to have a visit. But I just kind of got thrown off on, what I was planning for the day. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. So I have to clean my kitchen again because I don't want to decorate for Halloween in a dirty kitchen because that's just gross. So this is the content that you've got right now coming to you. He's taking out the trash. I'm wiping down all of the countertops, doing all that. And I just want everything to get really, really clean. Like I said, I put up those 2 curtains earlier because I thought I was going to be decorating, but that didn't happen. Right here, he's making his lunch. I thought I was going to make his lunch, but he was like, no, I'll go ahead and make my lunch. So I'm like, bet, you can make your lunch. I will let you do that, sir. So this is the content. We're doing a kitchen clean with me. And then my next video, I'm pulling the boudin out of the oven, and it was quite hot. So I stuck it back in there, and I got something else to grab it. Yep, because it was hot. And here's me trying to figure out how am I going to hold the camera and pull these out without dropping everything on the ground. But guess what? I prevailed. Look at that. I did it. I got it done. So yeah, just gonna start on some dishes and get those done. Clean the sink out really, really well. I've actually got my Halloween tote sitting in the living room. And the next video will be a Halloween decorate with me. For sure, we're doing a decorate with me. I don't know, after I get done with the kitchen and get this video uploaded, if I have any more energy, then I might start working on the Halloween stuff. But if not, you'll get the video sometime this week. So who else dreads washing dishes? It's my absolute thing that I hate the most. I just try to get it done as quick as I can because it's one of my pet peeves. I mean, I'm always cleaning my house and doing my housework, but I just try to get those dishes done and out the way because I just can't stand doing them, and it seems like I have to do them every single day. I do dishes every single frickin' day. So I hope that this video does motivate you, get you in the mood to clean something in your home. I don't know. Something. You don't necessarily have to clean your kitchen. You could clean with me, or you could just watch me bust my behind cleaning my kitchen. But I was motivated to get my kitchen done because, like I said, I don't like going to bed with a dirty kitchen. And this is late Sunday evening. I think I'm cleaning around 5:30 in the afternoon. My husband wants me to go sit down and watch a movie with him. So I really need to get this finished and uploaded. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you do and you're new here, thank you for stopping by to my channel, Texas Decor and More. If you like my content, cleaning content, decorating content, anything that has homemaking, you know, anything that has to do with the homemaking, I'm your go-to girl. I'm just gonna hurry up and get the stove wiped down really good. And, you know, we're going to call it a day. We're going to call it clean. I'm just scrubbing the heck out of it real quick, wiping everything down, getting everything sanitized with those Clorox wipes, because I want a fresh, clean slate when I start decorating for Halloween. Sorry, I can't talk today, y'all. I need to take a breath, actually. Whew, I have talked for 8 minutes straight. What do y'all think? The stove looking shiny? I hope it looks shiny. Well, I hope y'all are having a wonderful Sunday. This is how my Sunday went. I just wanted to share with y'all. Like I said, if you're new, please consider subscribing to my channel so that you can see more of my cleaning content and also decorating content. Also, if you would like to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comments below. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to get this video uploaded because I still have to go through all my Halloween stuff and try to figure out what I'm going to put up this year and what I'm not going to put out this year, and kind of where I'm going to place it, because I have new things in my house that I didn't have last year. So if you want, I did a Halloween home tour last year that y'all can go back and check it out.